This week on the Computer Chronicles, we take you to Los Angeles for the annual Excellence in Software Awards, the Codies. Actor Robert Urich, comedian Rondell Sheridan, and former Apple CEO Gil Amelio join us as we honor the best new software programs of the year. The Codies coming up next on the Computer Chronicles.
The Computer Chronicles is brought to you by BigStar.com, with thousands of videos and DVDs for the whole family. Additional support by TechWeb for up-to-the-minute technology news. And by TVA, Television Associates, bridging the worlds of computers and video with DVD authoring and MPEG encoding services.
This is the Century Plaza Hotel in Los Angeles, site of the 1999 Excellence in Software Awards ceremony. Each year, the Software and Information Industries Association, the SIIA, recognizes the best new computer programs of the year with their Codie Awards. This year, the association honored 38 of the best new software programs in 8 different product categories. The live event took several hours, so we can't show it all to you, but we do have highlights of the ceremony, and we'll tell you all the winners. It was my privilege to co-host this event, along with comedian Rondell Sheridan, and celebrity presenter, television actor Robert Urich got us going with the Codie Award for Best Business Software Program of the Year.
My agent told me a few weeks ago to keep a date in March open because they wanted me to be a presenter. Now, I knew it wasn't going to be Best Picture. I was pretty sure it wasn't going to be Best Actor because usually they have the person who won the previous year make the announcement, as you know. I did not win last year. Hell, I wasn't even nominated last year. I was not in a movie that could have allowed me to be nominated last year. So I thought at least special effects, best foreign film, best musical score. And I get here tonight and it's the Codies. What the hell are the Codies? So I'm all dressed, I've got the tux on. I wore a tux, all right? Barely in the business, but so I'm here, so I might as well do this, presentation here. There are many categories of business software: numeric, text, and graphics, graphics programs, schedulers, project managers, information managers, database programs, etc. And of all these types of business programs, some chart new territory, develop new ways of solving business problems, or simply do a traditional business task better than was ever possible before. Our 4 finalists in this category have met that standard. The nominees for Best New Business Software Program of the Year are
PhotoDraw 2000, Microsoft. The Brain, Natraficial Software Technologies. Peachtree Office Accounting, Peachtree Software. Window on Wall Street Internet Trader Deluxe, Window on Wall Street.
And the Codie Award goes to Peachtree Office Accounting by Peachtree Software.
Accepting the award for Peachtree Software is Ron Verney.
One of the key features of Peachtree Office Accounting is that it works seamlessly with Microsoft Office applications, letting users easily import accounting information into programs such as Word, Excel, and Outlook.
On behalf of all the people at Peachtree Software, we'd just like to thank our small business customers for continuing to push us to make the complex task of accounting simple. Thank you very much.
Other Codie Award winners in the business and home office software category included Symantec's Act 4.0 for Best Business Software Upgrade. Intuit's QuickBooks Pro won for the Best Numeric or Data Business Software. The Codie for Best Desktop Publishing Program went to Adobe Systems Photoshop 5.0. FileMaker Pro 4.0 won for Best Application Development Tool. and PowerQuest's Partition Magic 4.0 won the Codie for Best Software Utility. There were 9 Codie Awards for educational software. Ellen Bialo, president of IESD Incorporated, and Kathy Hurley of the Learning Company presented one of the Codie Awards for Best Curriculum Software.
Tonight's nominees for the Best Curriculum Software for Secondary and Post-Secondary Education are
Boxer Intermediate Algebra, Boxer Learning. Tomorrow's Promise Science, Jostens Learning. Relate for Teens, Ripple Effects. Secondary Math Lab Toolkit, Sunburst Communications. Cold War, Turner Learning.
I'm definitely redeeming myself. The Codie Award goes to Cold War by Turner Learning.
Accepting the award for Turner Learning is Dr. John Richards.
Cold War from Turner Learning is a CD-ROM designed to be used in schools in conjunction with CNN's primetime television series, Cold War.
Yeah. Thanks, everybody. This 24-part series on CNN was Ted Turner's idea, and the idea of making it reach the classrooms, I think, is so critical because we have to see who we are in this world today. So thank you very much for recognizing this.
So just a quick, Robert Urich, just can you give him a hand? Because you're my... So that's it. I had nothing else to say. So, the gentleman who just won, you get the, you're hopped up on like Robitussin, aren't you? I mean, he's just happy to be here. You could tell. He's just... Okay, here we go. Please welcome our next 2 presenters, Dr. John Richards, Senior Vice President and General Manager of Turner Learning, and Annette Hamilton, Executive Producer and columnist for ZDNet Anchor Desk.
Just look through the catalogs or walk by the aisles in your favorite computer store, and you'll see hundreds of educational software titles. It's a very competitive field, but as in any creative endeavor, some companies manage to find a way to excel, to stand out in the crowd, and accomplish something especially unique or worthy in their field. That is what we honor in these next 2 Codie categories, the Best New Educational Products of the Year.
The nominees for Best New Overall Educational Software Program are
Think and Science Series, ZAP, Edmark. Secret Writers Society, Panasonic Interactive Media. Word Bank Editor, Plato Education. Relate for Teens, Ripple Effects. The Complete National Geographic, The Learning Company, School Division. Community Construction Kit, Tom Snyder Productions.
And the Codie Award goes to A World of Learning, the Complete National Geographic Curriculum Supplement, TLC School.
Accepting the award for the Learning Company School Division is Lydia Lewis.
A World of Learning from the Learning Company is a complete archive of the National Geographic magazines from 1888 through 1997.
All right, team. It's a real honor to accept this for the writing team. It was Sari Bennett, our geographer in residence, Susan Gay, who kept us on task when we were wandering. The checkpoint was, is this going to work for teachers in the classroom? Is this going to actually have a reality check? Susan kept us there, and James Pence with his secondary experience. The interactive group that was supportive of wanting to do high-quality educational things, and Mindscape, our great partners. Thank you. This is fantastic.
Of course, learning in school is only part of the learning process. Children also learn or should learn at home. Computers and educational software allow parents to bring a whole new level of learning and skills and tools into the home environment. From Dr. Seuss to Mickey Mouse, software companies are combining entertainment values and educational content in a way that makes learning on a computer just plain fun.
The nominees for Best New Home Educational Software for Children are
Dr. Seuss Preschool, Broderbund Software. Disney's Active Play, A Bug's Life, Disney Interactive. Eyewitness Children's Encyclopedia, DK Multimedia. My First Amazing History Explorer, DK Multimedia. Awesome Animated Monster Maker Math, Houghton Mifflin Interactive.
And the Codie Award goes to Awesome Animated Monster Maker Math by Houghton Mifflin Interactive.
Accepting the award for Houghton Mifflin Interactive is John Goldman.
Awesome Animated Monster Maker Math is a program that teaches grade school math skills as children try to design and build monsters from a catalog of monster parts.
Keeps on lifting me higher, higher, higher.
Wow, this really is a surprise. I actually represent the developer of this software. The publishers weren't able to attend, and the real treat about this is that it was a non-branded product. It's the third in the series, and in addition to thanking all the people in my company, particularly my partner, Mark Lockridge, we really owe a huge debt to our publisher, Houghton Mifflin, who's stood behind us and supporting this product line for 4 years now. So thanks for everyone's vote.
Other Codie Award winners in the education category were the Encyclopedia Britannica CD-ROM Multimedia Edition, which won for Best Educational Software Upgrade. Lucas Learning's Star Wars DroidWorks won for Best New Home Education Program for Preteens. Piranha Interactive's Redshift 3 won for Best Home Education Program for Teens and Adults. And the National Geographic Society won the Codie Award for Best Online Educational Product for its Expeditions CD and website. Now we move to general consumer software, and let's welcome our next two presenters. First of all, Gene Hayes, who is president of Quality Education Data. Joining Gene is a man I'm sure you all know of. While at Bell Labs, he invented the CCD, the Charged Couple Device. At Fairchild, he developed the first charged couple image sensor, an essential part of today's video and digital still cameras. At Rockwell, he developed breakthrough digital signal processing technology. As CEO of National Semiconductor, he increased that company's market cap by $4 billion. He's currently on the board of directors of Computer Century Software, and perhaps you know him as the former CEO of Apple Computer, and the author of the best-selling book, On the Firing Line, My 500 Days at Apple. Please welcome Dr. Gil Amelio.
Thank you, thank you. Good evening, Jane.
Hi, Gil. You know, this is a pretty colorful-looking crowd out here, kind of like IMAX, don't you think?
Yeah, I would agree. You know, as I look around, I think it's kind of amazing to see all of these software developers in black tie. When I was at Apple, I had trouble getting them to wear shoes.
Well, we're all dressed up tonight, and we're looking at some special things in consumer software. Since the consumer is king, so the saying goes, indeed, the consumer market is king when it comes to being an immense opportunity and a tremendous challenge for software developers. Tastes and needs change quickly. Product cycle times can be short, and distribution and the struggle for shelf space can be formidable problems to tackle. But if you make it, you can make it big.
That is the challenge for the finalists in our next category, which honors the best new consumer software program of the year. The nominees are
Enfish Tracker Pro, Enfish Technology. Tonka Workshop CD-ROM playset, Hasbro Interactive. Resume Maker Deluxe Edition, individual software. Robotics Invention System, Lego Technic. MGI Photo Suite 2, MGI software.
And the Codie Award goes to Robotics Invention Systems by Lego Mindstorm.
The Robotics Invention System from Lego Mindstorms is a high-end Lego construction set that lets you build robots, which can then be programmed on your personal computer using the Lego programming language, RCX code.
On behalf of the whole Lego Mindstorms development team, I just want to say thank you very much.
You know, the question has almost become, what can't you do with a computer? It seems every year the computer platform becomes capable of dealing with new solutions, new applications, new ways of solving problems. And of course, it's not the computer that does all of this by itself, it's the software. And all of you seem to constantly find new ways to create software that makes it easier, faster, and more practical to do things with that computer. Our next category is a perfect example of that.
The nominees for Best New Personal Productivity Software Programs are
3D Home Design Suite, Broderbund Software. Quick Keys for Windows, CE Software. L&H Voice Express Professional, Learn It and Houseby. Microsoft Works Suite, Microsoft. Window on Wall Street Internet Trader Pro, Window on Wall Street.
And the Codie Award goes to 3D Home Design Suite by Broderbund.
Broderbund's 3D Home Design Suite features 3 complete programs, including Home Architect Deluxe for overall home design, 3D home interiors, and Imagine Your Landscape.
I forgot what I was going to say. The home design category has grown at a rate of 80% in the last 12 months, and we're very pleased to be a part of that growth. There's a lot of exciting things that Broderbund and the Learning Company are doing, and so expect to see more of us. Thank you very much to everybody involved, especially our external developers. Thank you.
There were 5 Codie Awards in the Games category. Douglas Adams' Starship Titanic won the Codie for Best New Adventure or Role-Playing Game. GT Interactive's Unreal won the Codie for Best New Arcade Action Game. The Codie Award for Best New Sports Game went to Access Software's Lynx LS 1999 edition. Lego Mindstorms won the Codie for Best New Strategy or Simulation Game for its Lego Loco program. And Blizzard Entertainment's StarCraft won the Codie for Best New Multiplayer Online Game. So from productivity software, we move next to creativity software. Please welcome our next presenter of the evening, very well chosen for this particular category, Mr. H.B. Siegel, Chief Technology Officer with Industrial Light and Magic.
Thank you, Stuart. It's a pleasure to be here. They asked me to prepare a short speech, so if you'll just kind of stretch out and relax a bit, I'll just get started. Seriously, this award is to recognize the best new home creativity program in Hollywood, or whether you're in Hollywood or Northern California as we are. It's impossible to be in this business, whether you're a director, producer, artist, technical director, any of those roles without being familiar with software. And even though we haven't found ways to integrate Barbie Home Photo Designer into our production process, we are ever seeking to do so. So if, without further ado, the nominees for Best New Home Creativity Software Program.
Adobe Photo Deluxe, Adobe Systems. Lego Creator, Lego Technic. Barbie Photo Designer Digital Camera and CD-ROM, Mattel Media. Microsoft Graphics Studio Home Publishing 99, Microsoft. American Greetings Crafts, Mindscape.
And the winner is Lego Creator by Lego Media International.
Lego Creator lets young people design virtual 3D worlds with usable objects, animated effects, and the ability to view your unique Lego world from various perspectives.
Whoa. Pretty amazing. Again, I'm just a stand-in here for the people at Superscape and Lego Media International, so on their behalf, thank you very much.
The other Codie Award winner in the consumer software category was Intuit's Quicken Deluxe 99, which won the Codie for Best Consumer Software Upgrade. In the online category, Broderbund's FamilyTreeMaker.com won for the Best Internet Commerce Website. And the Codie for Best Overall Worldwide Website went to the Discovery Channel Online. All right, we are down to the two final awards of the evening, Best Debut of the Year and Best New Software Program of the Year. So ladies and gentlemen, please welcome our next two presenters, Gail Littlejohn, Vice President of LexisNexis, and joining us again, Robert Urich.
Hello, it's good to be here. Our next Codie Awards category is testament to the incredible role the Internet is playing in redefining what software is, in defining what an application is, and in changing the distribution model for how the consumer gets to use that application. Almost all of the finalists in this software category are Internet-related, either websites or enabled applications. We now honor the best brand new software application.
The nominees for the Best Debut of the Year are
The Ultimate Cookbook, Dinnerware Publishing. The Writing Trek, Advantage Software. E-Team, Infocast. Developer Training for Java, MindCube Publishing. OnHealth.com, OnHealth Network Company.
And the Codie Award goes to
Dinnerware Publishing, Inc., Best Debut of the Year.
Accepting the award for Dinnerware Publishing are Susan and David Purcell.
The Ultimate Cookbook website, ucook.com, is the only recipe search engine on the web that lets you find recipes by any search criteria, including ingredients, ethnic origin, cookbook author, or nutritional requirements.
Oh my God, I'm going to throw up, I think. I would like all the venture capitalists in the room to raise their hands. They all put their heads down. Okay. We're in the middle table. We have business cards, business plans, and term sheets. Seriously, this is an amazing honor for us. We're not anywhere near the Silicon Valley. We're on the coast of Maine. Yes, thank you. We have so many people to thank. We have Michael Lang, Jim Noonan, Mike Foster, who wasn't able to be here tonight, an incredible indexer, Alexandra Nickerson. We even had our lawyer come down from San Francisco for this.
Oh, this is amazing. We're really grateful to be in a place where we can offer something of service to everyone, because let's face it, we all have to eat.
Thank you very much.
Thanks.
The finalists for the Best New Software Program of the Year show us how broad and diversified the software industry is. What a range of products. A music production tool, a server application for thin clients, a new Lego toy that lets you design and program your creations on a PC, a creative tool for adding graphics and multimedia to a website, and a totally new way to understand the world we live in. I don't know how he could have selected a winner from these finalists, but someone had to do it. So, the nominees for the Best New Software Program of the Year are
Citrix Metaframe, Citrix Systems. Cybermaster, Lego Technic. Fireworks, Macromedia. National Geographic Maps, Mindscape. Acid, Sonic Foundry.
For the National Geographic Society, I'm Robert Urich. Good night. The National Geographic Maps.
Mindscape's National Geographic Maps is a collection of all the fold-out maps ever printed in National Geographic magazine. The collection comes on an 8 CD-ROM set.
Celebrate good times, come on!
Woo! Hey, content rules. Yeah. I'd like to thank over 1,000 cartographers that worked on this product over the years. I'd like to thank our partners, Mindscape, Design Alliance, the designers that put real creativity to this product. Don't steal them. And last but not least, our team at National Geographic Interactive. Thank you very much. Thank you.
That's it for our highlights of the 1999 Codie Awards. Thanks for joining us, and goodbye from Los Angeles.
The Computer Chronicles is brought to you by BigStar.com, with thousands of videos and DVDs for the whole family. Additional support by TechWeb for up-to-the-minute technology news. And by TVA, Television Associates, bridging the worlds of computers and video with DVD authoring and MPEG encoding services.
To purchase a videotape copy of today's program, call toll-free 1-888-310-7850. Please specify the show number and the topic.
Next week on the Computer Chronicles, how to program. We'll show you how to create the simplest kind of program, a macro. We'll show you a software package that teaches you the fundamentals of big-time programming. We'll look at writing software for the internet with Macromedia's Flash, and a programming language even adults can master, RCX from Lego Mindstorms. Plus a visit to the real world of heavy-duty software code as we take a look inside the programming team at Electronic Arts. It's all coming up next week on the Computer Chronicles.